Alright guys, back with Chef Zach today, and we're gonna make smoked queso dip. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You just want like a 1 block of like the Velveeta cheese, like a big block, and then you want a small block. This is jalapeno Velveeta cheese, and you can just dice both of these up. You're gonna need cream cheese, 2 cans of Rotel. You're gonna fry up 1 roll of breakfast sausage. You're gonna add some more cheddar cheese and then some seasoning to that. So it's very few ingredients and pretty easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up and then show you what we're gonna do with the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, we're back and we got our Velveeta blocks cut up and cubed. And now we got the cream cheese over here, and what we're gonna do with this is we're just gonna cube this up as well and hope make it creamier and make it more rich. I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so I diced up the cream cheese. I diced up half of a red onion, and I got a can of green chilies. Alright, then we just cooked our 1 roll of breakfast sausage right here. And these are all the ingredients that you're gonna need to actually cook and prep. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to the pan and show you all the other stuff you need to add as well. So we added a jar of salsa. We added low sodium taco seasoning, the onions, and the green chili. So we added all of our ingredients like the Velveeta blocks, the cream cheese, and the ground beef. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the smoker, and it's probably gonna take about an hour or so to melt. And we're probably gonna have to add some milk to it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now we're gonna go ahead and give the cheese dip a mix. I'm gonna go ahead and do it off the eye, well not the eye, but the flame. And just slow down cooking. And just mix it all together. I'm probably gonna go add some milk to it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I just added some milk to it. And I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit longer, probably about 30-40 more minutes. And then it'll be done. I'll get back to y'all. Alright, this is the cheese dip. We're gonna go ahead and take it off. If you want it thinner, you can add more milk. If you like it thick, you can just leave it like this. And that's how to make smoked queso.